Hey folks, Mark here with Mark's Old Scale Trains with a spotlight video on a piece of rolling stock from Lionel Trains. This particular piece of rolling stock is a flat spot freight sounds boxcar from Lionel. It's pretty recent. It was delivered second quarter 2020 and the sounds on this are fantastic. I love the sound cars as long as the sounds are relatively accurate to what we're expecting when delivered. Part number for this piece of rolling stock is 2026140, and the sounds that are included with this particular boxcar, one is rail clatter, wheel flange squeal, coupler slack, and then flat spot thumping. And I'm happy with those. I think those sound great, and they'll do them randomly, and it's also based upon the speed that the train is traveling. But you put a few of these in your consist and it sounds fantastic. I really enjoy them. The detail on here is fantastic. It's your typical Lionel separately applied details throughout the boxcar, and it's just nice overall. So I'd compare this with MTH Premier Line, from the trucks on up to the treaded walkway on the roof. So it's a great addition for me. I ended up buying this from Grzybowski's Trains out of Pennsylvania for $97.95. I believe you can still get these. I think they're relatively easy to get if I'm not mistaken. But it does have a baby Fat Boy speaker in there, so the sound is really pretty good. And I think you'll like it, and I'll get some running shots of this as well and see what you guys think. Now I should also mention that there are a couple switches on the bottom here that will turn the sounds on or off, or you can also increase with one of the switches the frequency of the sounds when the boxcar is traveling on your railroad. It does have a single pickup on each truck, and that's the baby Fat Boy speaker. That's where the sound comes out. And then right here in the middle, if you can see that control knob right there, will also control the volume level for the sounds. And lastly, the doors do open. You can see the sound speaker inside there as well as the board, with both doors on each side do open should you want them to be, but I just run this with them closed, but they do slide open.